Good morning students, I am your English teacher Shabana and today's topic is question that have answers yes or no. Here students, here is your let's try 6 and in this exercise, in this let's try, you have to make questions with this from the statement. There are statements in let's try 6 and you have to make questions from the statement. But before that we have to learn to make questions using helping verbs. So students, when we have a statement and we have to make a question from that statement, then we have to find out the helping verb. Where is the helping verb in the statement? After that we have to put the helping verb at the first in the sentence. After that we have to put the subject. Okay students, now in this let's try 6 we will make the questions from the statement. Okay students, now let's begin. Yes, here is a statement, that is the king is thinking. The king is thinking. This statement starts with a capital letter, ends with a full stop. That's why it is a statement. And now what we have to do? We have to make the question from this statement. How? First of all, we have to find out the helping verb. Where is the helping verb? This is the helping verb. Okay. Now we have to put it first in the sentence. When we have to make an asking sentence, we have to put is MR, where we have to put helping verb at the first. So we will put it first, and you all know about this. We have to when we have to write a sentence, whenever it is capital, so it will be capital is. After that, after helping verb, we will have to put the subject. And where is the subject? The king. What is the subject? What is the subject? Okay. There is a subject, king, because we are talking about king. That's why it is a subject, the king. Is the king thinking? Is the king thinking? Yes. When we write a sentence that starts with a helping verb, it means it is an asking sentence, and we have to put a question mark at the end of this type of sentence. So we will put at the end of this type of sentence. Now, yes students, is the king thinking? Yes. It means क्या king सोच रहा है? Is the king thinking? And when we have this type of sentence, when we have this type of asking sentence, when we will have to give the answer in yes or no. Okay students, is the king thinking? Is the king thinking? Yes, the king is thinking. If the king is not thinking, then we will write no, the king is not thinking. Okay students, now we will read the next sentence is the courtiers are making fun of Tenali Raman. The courtiers are making fun of Tenali Raman. Tenali Raman का मजाक उड़ाते थे. Courtiers दरबारी. The courtiers are making fun of Tenali Raman. So now we will now we have to make a question, make an asking sentences from this statement. So first of all, we will find out the helping verb. And where is the helping verb? This is the helping verb in this sentence. So we will put it first in the asking sentence. Okay. After that, after helping verb, we will have to put the subject, the courtiers, because we are talking about the courtiers, because the courtiers making fun of Tenali Raman. है ना? That's why we will put it after helping verb. Are the courtiers making fun Tenali Raman. After that, put the question mark. Okay, because it is an asking sentence, it is a question. After that, we will read the next one. Tenali Raman is happy. Tenali Raman is happy to solve the problem. Tenali Raman is happy to solve the problem. Problem solve करने पर तेनाली रमन खुश है. Yes, Tenali Raman is happy to solve the problem. So we will put the helping verb first, and that is is in this sentence. So we will put it first. Is. Now the subject. Now we are talking about Tenali Raman in this sentence. So we will put it secondly. Tenali Raman. After that, is Tenali Raman now happy? There is only one change. There is only one change. It is this. We have to put the helping verb at first in the sentence, and all rest of the sentence is remaining same. Okay. Is Tenali Raman happy to solve the problem? Solve the problem and put the mark of question. Okay. Now the next one is the people are cheering for Tenali Raman. The people are cheering for Tenali Raman. Tenali Raman को cheer कर रहे हैं लोग. And now we are talking about the people, and where is helping verb? Here. Here is a helping verb. So we will put are at first. Are the people cheering for Tenali Raman? Okay. Okay. Now we will do the next one. The king was smart. The king was smart. So now we will make it an asking sentence. So was is helping verb here. So we will put it first. Was the king smart? Was the king smart? क्या king smart था? If the king was smart, then you have to say yes, the king was smart. If it is not, then you have to say no, the king was not smart. है ना? Now the next one, the other courtiers were jealous. The other courtiers were jealous. Other courtiers were jealous from Tenali Raman, है ना? So first of all, we will find out the helping verb, and it is here verb. We will put it first for making the question verb, and where is the subject? The other courtiers. So we will put it secondly verb, the other courtier jealous. Were the other courtiers jealous? Put a question mark at the end of this type of sentence. This is your let's try 6, and you have to do this the remaining let's try 6 by yourself, and you have to orally check this exercise. If the answer of the question is yes or no, it means it is the question is right, the question is correct. So student, you have to do this exercise by yourself. Okay students, bye bye, take care yourself, stay home and keep safe. Bye.